Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to emote in game. Oh, I got kicked. You guys how to emote in game, and basically in order to, you can't only emote at the end of the match. If you're like top 3, you can actually emote in game as well. And all you have to do is basically just hold the left D-pad. So hold this one, it's kind of hard to see because there's no light, but hold this one right here, the left D-pad, and then that will show you your emote, wheel or whatever, and then you can go ahead and choose it from here. If it loads quick enough, I'll show you as well in game, but like I said, that's on PS5 at least. Whatever the equivalent is, I guess, that is what it would be on PC. I'm not too sure what it is, but like I said, again, on keyboard or on PlayStation, it's like the left D-pad, and then that opens up the emote wheel, and then you can choose from there. You can most likely go to settings and then check to see if there's like a keybind for that. You can go to controller maybe, check to see if there's a keybind for a specific keybind for the thing, but I'm not too sure. I don't think there is, but yeah, anyways, yeah, that is basically how to do it. And yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.